Meet Microsoft Copilot, your AI-powered assistant that helps you work smarter and faster. Whether you're writing, summarizing, brainstorming, or coding, Copilot is here to assist. So who can access Microsoft Copilot? If you use Microsoft 365, Copilot is available for you. If you're in Office 365, just go to the landing page and on the left side, click the Copilot icon on the left side of your screen. Some of your Microsoft apps may have Copilot embedded within. All you have to do is look for the Copilot icon in the top right corner. You can also go to the web and visit copilot.microsoft.com, or on your smart device, go to the App Store to download that app. Here's a demonstration to show you just how fast Copilot can think and give you a response. When you're on the page, down at the bottom, you'll see a field where you can type in your text. You can type in a prompt that you would like to ask Copilot. You can even upload an image or upload a file from your device, but you can only do one file per prompt. So put in your prompt and then hit send. Within seconds, Copilot is generating a response for you. That response may have little footnotes in them. Those will link you to the articles and websites that Copilot used to generate the response. You can then visit those websites to get more information or to see how reliable the source is, because we know AI is not perfect and some information may not be correct. When you're finished, you'll notice too that there are probing questions that can help you revise your prompt and make it more precise. When you're all done, you can copy that information and then paste it into a Word document or an email. You can also edit in Pages. On the right side, you'll see other prompts that you may have used in the past that you can go back and revisit. If you want to hide those, just simply click this and the panel of previous prompts are hidden. And when you're ready to start a new chat, just click the new chat button and you can start all over again.